Hey guys, it's Kawaii Girl and I'm back with another video filming on the same day. I just wanted to show you something that I just got for myself as a kind of a late birthday gift and something that I've been wanting and saving up for. If you're new, consider subscribing. We have some cute, kawaii, low kitty, girly stuff, beauty, beauty girly-ish related stuff. Ray Dunn, Joanna Parker, gaming, anime. I'm a smorgasbord of a bunch of different things. If any of those things are something you're interested in, please consider subscribing and drop a like if you like any of the items in the video. Click the notification bell to be notified when I upload, and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see. Let's just talk in the comments. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. This is gonna be a quick unboxing. Not the setup, just an unboxing, just so you can see what I found. And you can see my first reactions, because this is the first time I'm getting it, and in a sense the first time I've ever owned a VR headset. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Let me get my thing popped up here. Okay, let's bring it back. Hold on. There we go. So you can see PlayStation VR2 Horizon Call of the Mountain bundle. Sony, obviously. You can notice some little bit of ripping and things on the corners and stuff. I got this in person from Target, and this is how they gave it to me. I didn't notice until I took it home, so I'm not in love with that because I like my boxes to have a good condition, but it is what it is. As long as everything's intact, I'll take it as it is. I don't feel like they would have gave me a discount for condition anyway. So you can see that. Feel a new reel, cutting edge performance, quick setup, thrilling new worlds, PlayStation VR2 Sense technology. So I've already researched a lot of this, so I already knew what to expect of the technology, similar to the controllers, and just an overall better experience compared to what was offered with the original one, because I have previewed some of that. Close family members, they have one, so I was able to experience that, and it was pretty interesting. It had some issues tracking, but it was pretty cool for me because I've never experienced it or was super interested before. So let me get this good angle here. It comes with the game code and the headset and everything else included accessories wise. So I'm gonna get it open so I can show you everything real quick. I also have the charge station too that I can show you real quick as well. Because I like having a charging station so I can have everything charged, because I don't like having to charge in the moment when I get it. I want it to be ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Let me pull out the stuff. From what I am told, it is not as easy to get open. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. But let's see. This is the back side. It's got the, wait a minute, here we go. The X, square, triangle, and circle button logos on there. And some on, wait a minute, here we go. Some on the side, some on the side, and some on the side. So let me open this up so I can show you what's in here. Okay, so what we got, very exciting. I'm so excited. I literally watched so many unboxing videos so I can get myself ready for it, and yet I still feel like I'm not ready for it. Obviously, you get the code for Horizon Call of the Mountain, which I will be downloading right after I get this finished. This is the charging cable for the DualSense controller 1, from what I'm told. And that's why I have a charging stand and a charging station. You've got the earbuds that are included, which I will try them out and use and see. I'm marinating on getting the Pulse 3D headset, because I have been using the PlayStation Gold one, but I don't really feel like it really showed a difference as far as 3D audio is concerned, so I definitely feel like I want to get the official one soon. Manual. Yeah, I will preview it if I feel like I need to, but for now, I think I know what I'm expecting. Let me put this to the side, and here is, let me put this over here. Let me put this to the side real quick so I can pull things up as we go. Here is, let's see here, which controller side is this? I've been in my mind trying to imagine how this would feel, and this is the right side, because when I put it in, it goes in perfectly. I think it feels really, really solid, like lighter definitely than the controller, the PS5 controller, but that's comfortable, and I like that for like long-term use. Definitely clicky, feels good, feels really light, and obviously has the wrist strap that I'm told, and then you're supposed to go with it like that. And so yeah, let me show it again. I don't know if it came through. And loosen that up. So that's the right. And the left. And obviously the wrist strap. So it's that. Here is the headset. Interesting. I love the color scheme because it's exactly the same as PS5, which I like the white. It looks clean. Even though, honestly, I have a Pusheen skin from Sticky Bunny Co. that I put on there, and if they had one for the PSVR, I would totally get it to match, but I like the aesthetic nonetheless. So it's got the 4 cameras on the front for the eye tracking and everything. It's got this dial on the side that's supposed to be for the lens, I forget what they call it, but the lens thing to adjust it to make sure it fits your eyes and everything. There's a button up here. I forget what that's for, if it was for, oh, it's for adjusting the scope. I remember. It's for adjusting the scope so you can push it out and get it to fit. You got that band, very similar design to the original with the band. Feels comfortable enough. I might end up needing more padding, but we'll see how I feel after a play session. It's got this button here, which, what I'm told, is to pull it out to get it to fit around your head. Let me show you. Pull it out. There's that. These right here are supposed to be for the headphones I'm going to connect in a minute, and your cord, which I heard is, I think, like 15 feet, and I'll see if it'll work for when I am sitting, because for right now in my space I can only really sit. I don't have enough room to really stand and not get hurt, so we'll see. Also, let me show you. There is the lens right there, and then there's this little flap gasket here for some extra cushion around your face. So that is it for the unboxing portion of the PSVR2. I'm going to show you the charging station unboxing, which, like I said, condition issues with the box. And because they were shoved, I think it's because they were shoved in the glass display case and not put in as gentle as possible, so they got damaged, but you know, whatever, I'll take it right now because it was available and I didn't have to order it and wait or whatever because I wanted it today. So yeah, so those are the sides of the box, the front and everything. I'm gonna open it real quick because I'm gonna get this set up too. Right around the time that I go ahead and download the code for the game, I will also plug in this. So I have the I have the charge station for the PS5 because I knew one thing I really hate is having to pull out batteries for a controller or for a newer console. I'm kind of like, I should already be able to charge this and not have to worry about it. So I knew, I was like, I'm getting this charging stand because one cord and having to have a bunch of other dangling cords doesn't look good, and it's kind of a pain in the butt. So I got this. So I've heard mixed feelings about this charging station, but the other one still works. I haven't had any issues, so I'm hoping this will have some good durability and longevity long term. But we'll see through testing it out. So here's what the box looks like. And in here, from what I'm told, in this one here, I am told that there is the pins right here that you pop into the controllers so that you can have them nice and charged and ready to go. And those will be the way that it'll put the power and charge into the Sense controllers. Here is the base of the charge station. I believe this is the front. First it was a little confusing because of this raised bit, but this is the front. Same aesthetic as the headset, as the PS5, so everything matches, which I like. Yeah, it seems it has a decent weight. I'll have to see when I put it in there how wobbly it gets when I'm taking it in and out, but it feels solid, looks good, so I'm happy with aesthetics for right now. And then the last couple things in the box is obviously the AC adapter to plug into the power brick to plug into the wall. And that's what I'm going to do. So that is everything right now that was included in the box with the PSVR2 and what was included with the charging station. So I'm sorry if this was a long one. I was trying to, kind of explain to you my thought process and everything. And I wanted to show you everything as quickly as possible. So subscribe if you're new, if you haven't already, if you like this kind of content, you like gaming and things of that nature. Click the bell to be notified when I upload. Drop a like if you liked the video, if you liked any of what I had to offer in this video. And if I should do more of these kind of videos showing gaming related stuff. And yes, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Give me some suggestions. Let's talk in the comments. And I think that's it. That's it for now. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next